Alright, once we've got the motherboard is bolted to the back plane, that cable was up out of the way, these cables were down here, and we've connected the front panel connector cable. That's already been connected. Now you need to go and put all the other cables on the motherboard. Start with the fan. So the back fan has a connector right there. There's only one way that it will connect on correctly. It's done. The auxiliary CPU power connector here, it's actually a split two connectors. So you kind of have to hold them together, and they go into that connector. And you want to feed it here inside the wires. Line up the cables. Line them both up, both connectors. And you have to have both of these connectors lined up together. And it just gently pushes down and clicks in place. That's it. Very simple. There's the black, red, and yellow fan cable that goes on up here. That only goes on one way. There it is. There is the large power connector. Again, it's a split two-piece connector. You kind of have to hold it together. If you're not holding a camera, this will be easier. And it just gently lines up all together. Just gently rock it all the way down. That's it. Now it's connected. It clicks when it's finally in. Easy. Next, this blue USB connector, USB 3.0, goes right here into this blue USB 3 connector. Very gently line it up, push it down. It doesn't click, but it's in all the way. The two data cables going right here. There's actually 4 connectors here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't really matter which ones you put it in, but I tested it using the top two. So that one went in the top there. This one went in the top here. Just gently line it up, gently twist. That's it. That's all there is to it. Over here, front panel audio connector goes on this connector right there. Right here is the USB connector. There's 2 USB connectors on the motherboard, one cable. Just goes in right here. Just gently rock it and it'll go in. That's it. This is the chassis fan connector. 2 chassis fan connectors here. Put it on this one. Only goes on one place. If you try to put it on the other one, it won't fit in correctly. It won't go down. Only goes on one place, one way. That's it. And if you remember, we had put these on earlier. Those were different. Okay, now the motherboard connector are all connected. It's good to go.